Imagine looking up at the sky, not to see the moon drifting in its silent orbit, but shackled to Earth by a monstrous chain, each link the size of a skyscraper, each clank echoing through the fabric of physics, a cosmic leash binding our only natural satellite to us forever. What if we chained the moon to Earth? Not metaphorically, physically. How would this unimaginable tether reshape our world, our tides, our skies, and even our survival? First, let's grasp the scale of this idea. The moon orbits about 384,000 kilometers, or nearly 240,000 miles, away from Earth. To link the two, we'd need a chain spanning that vast chasm of vacuum, but not just any chain. It would need to withstand the gravitational pull between two celestial bodies, equivalent to tens of trillions of tons of tension. Made perhaps of some futuristic alloy far stronger than anything we've ever known, stronger than carbon nanotubes, steel, or diamond. And then there's the weight. Such a chain would likely weigh more than either the Earth or Moon could support without catastrophic consequences. But let's suspend disbelief. Assume the chain is unbreakable and weightless. Let's explore what would happen if it actually existed. Normally, the Moon is locked in a delicate gravitational ballet with Earth. It orbits us, and we spin beneath it. This dynamic causes tides, regulates our rotation, and even stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, vital for seasons and climate stability. Now, imagine the Moon can't move freely. The chain prevents it from orbiting naturally. One of two things must happen. Either Earth must rotate in sync with the Moon, tidally locked, or the chain exerts unimaginable stress as both bodies try to maintain their motions. This would generate insane mechanical strain, likely causing either the Moon to be pulled toward Earth, or Earth's rotation to slow dramatically to match the Moon's slower orbit. In either case, we're heading toward disaster. Tides on Earth are created by the gravitational pull of the Moon as it orbits us. But if the Moon is stationary relative to Earth, chained in place, the tides as we know them vanish. Instead of the rhythmic ebb and flow, we'd see fixed bulges of water locked under the Moon's position. Coastal ecosystems would collapse. Ocean currents, essential for regulating temperature, would shift or cease. Entire climates might plunge into chaos. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this exploration so far, hit that like button to help us reach more curious minds like yours. And if the chain causes the Moon to slowly spiral inward, well, the tidal forces would grow exponentially, possibly fracturing the Moon itself. And if that happens, pieces of the Moon could rain down on Earth, turning our skies into fire. A chain isn't just a connection, it's a point of force. If it's anchored to the Earth, where would that be? A mountain range? A superstructure built in the middle of the ocean? Wherever it's attached, the torque and tension would strain the Earth's crust, triggering massive earthquakes. Volcanoes could erupt due to pressure changes beneath the mantle. Tectonic plates might shift unnaturally. The Moon, too, would suffer. Its surface would fracture, its rotation altered, and over time, the tension might cause it to fall out of orbit or crash into Earth. Let's talk about us for a moment. Every satellite in orbit would become useless. A chain this massive would obstruct or destroy space traffic, wiping out GPS, communication, and weather monitoring systems. Night skies would be lit differently. The Moon, stuck in one spot, would cast permanent shadows in parts of the world and disappear from others. Cultures, religions, and mythologies shaped by the Moon for millennia would suddenly face a new cosmic reality. Economically, the loss of satellites, ocean commerce due to tidal collapse, and environmental upheaval would throw civilization into disarray. And politically, the country with control over the chain's anchor point might claim dominance over the Moon, a new, terrifying geopolitical weapon. In the end, This thought experiment is not about the possibility of chains. It's about the beauty of balance. The moon doesn't need chains to stay. It's bound to Earth by gravity's invisible hand, gentle yet precise. It governs our tides, guides our rhythms, and stabilizes our world, not with force, but with harmony. To shackle the moon would be to misunderstand the elegant dance of the cosmos, to try to control what was never meant to be chained. So the next time you look up at the sky and see the moon drifting silently above, remember this: its freedom is our survival. Thanks for watching. If this video sparked your curiosity, be sure to subscribe to Polaris Science and turn on the bell so you never miss our next journey into the unknown. This is Polaris Science. Stay curious, stay cosmic.